Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. In this lecture, we are going to learn fully about the area chart. Area chart is commonly used for showing changes in data composition over time. For example, it can be used to visualize data for sales by month, percentage of total views of your video by week, or population of continent by decade, etc. And if you are watching this video for the first time, I request you to check out the playlist and go through all the videos. And if you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time new video is uploaded. Well, coming back to the lecture, let's see how we can create the area chart with example. Here we have data, the same data which we have used for line chart as well. So to create any area chart, what we need to do is that first select the data. So we have also learned about the selection of data in the previous chapter. If you have not watched that video, then please check out here. Okay, first select this one. Let's select for 2 movie genre and then go to insert, then area and line chart. Simply select the area 2D area chart. So there are 3 options. The one is first is simple area chart, and second one is stack area chart, and third one is 100% stack area chart. So we'll be looking one by one. First, let's select this one, stack simple area chart. Okay, let's bring it here, and then let me also include another chart side by side. Let's do for all. Insert area chart and then line simple area chart, and third one is, let's select the chart again. Let's select the data first and then go to insert area chart and stack chart. Now this is stack chart. Let me delete this one and let me again select another chart, that is 100% stack area chart. Go to insert, then 100% stack chart, stack area chart. So these are the 3 area charts available in Excel. The first one is simple area chart, second one is stack area chart, and third one is 100% stack area chart. The concept behind this is all same with that of line chart and bar chart or column chart. And why we should be choosing which chart in area chart, that is what we are going to learn now. So if your data point in your data is not more than 2, then you can obviously go with the simple area chart. But if it is more than 2, then you should always go with the stack area chart. This is the stack area chart. So here we can see the area chart of all the data points, all the legends. So comedy is here, and then there is a thriller, and there is documentary, and then romance. So every chart is stacked on top of the other. So we can see clearly here. But here in this simple area chart, we can't see what is the trend of comedy genre. The ticket sales of comedy is decreasing, and while the comedy ticket sales for thriller is increasing, and it is crossing in between June and July. So we can't see what is going on with the comedy. So in such case, if your data is more than or less, change this chart into simple line chart. So chart type we can change from here, simple area chart. So this is simple area chart. Here all the datas, all the charts are behind each other, because the data for this romance is more than that of documentary, and the thriller is increasing from July, and while the comedy sales is decreasing. So it is hidden behind. So if we want to see each of them, then we need to decrease the transparency of each chart, and that will make multiple color. Here we should be having only 4 color, like one for blue and orange and gray and yellow we should be having, but when we try to reduce the opacity of each chart, then it will create another more one more or two more colors, and which will make us confused. So to see what is going on with the comedy chart, we can decrease the opacity of this thriller chart. So to do so, right click here and then go to format data series, and then you have fill and line and fill option. We have already learned about a series options. Now we will be doing fill and line. Here we have fill. So in the fill we have different options: no fill, solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill. We can also insert a picture of anything, any company, or pattern fill is also there. So we are going to do solid fill. If we don't do with solid fill, then this transparency won't be active. So let's do it automatic. That is not available here. So to do so, we have to select the solid fill, and in solid fill we need to change the color to the original color, that is orange. Now transparency can be reduced. Let's see, around 50%, like this. Now we can see that what is going on with the comedy chart. Comedy chart is here, it is moving like this and it is decreasing like this. So we can see through this chart. But if we try the same thing here in this chart, which is more than having two data points, then it will create some more problem and it will be confusing. Let's see. Let's try to reduce the transparency of this chart. Fill an option and then solid fill. Change the color to yellow. Okay, and reduce the opacity. And let's also reduce this color, solid orange, and reduce the opacity to 150. Now we tried the base, but here we are seeing more than 4 color. Actually we should have 4 color, like this one, 1, 2, 3 and 4, but here we are having more than 4 color. Because of the overlapping of one color to another, it is having more than 4 color, and this is confusing. So whenever your data is having more than 2 elements, 2 legends, then you should go with the stake chart, area stake chart. So that is how area stake chart we can change the chart type, then to area stake chart. Okay, now we can see all the charts on top of each other. See, this is for the comedy, and this is for thriller, and this is for documentary, and this is for romance. The color we can change, we can make it more vibrant as you wish. So this is the only concept. And for 100% stake chart, I would suggest that you don't go with the 100% stake chart in the area chart. If you want to go 100% stake chart, then it is better you go with the chart design. Let's go change type, change chart type, not area, in the bar. Let's go with the column chart. Let's go with the column chart, column stake chart, or 100% column stake chart. Like this would be better. 100% stake chart is best suited with 100% stake column or bar chart, and we have already learned about this 100% stake column or bar chart in our chapter. And if you have not watched that video, then please check out this video link here over, and then you can learn about it. And that's it for this area chart. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.